Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for an at-home piece of equipment that will work on forearms, but is heavy enough that you can use for other exercises, this video is for you. So what we have here is a device that is 12 pounds. This thing is 12 pounds, got some weight on it. And it has a dial here in the middle where it can be turned to adjust the resistance when turning these this way, and that goes all the way around. It can go 360 if you want. And but it has a little dial, and you can make it more challenging or less challenging. And it kind of grips it right in here somehow. It kind of puts some pressure on there, and it slides. This is made out of some kind of like steel, like heavy gauge steel, because it's not that big. Size wise, it's maybe an inch and a half thick. It's not that thick, but definitely made out of some kind of steel. You get a close up there, you can see it. So but 12 pounds, as small as it is, and I mean it's like working. You can do one hand at a time. It's working the forearm, working the forearm. Also, from just an overall exercise, having something weighted from a curling, if you just want to go to town and do a lot of reps, got something from a curling standpoint, pushing up, sort of like a military type press, going behind because you can adjust where it's comfort. So going behind and doing like triceps, pretty cool. Also, if you were doing something and you were like lifting this way from a shoulder standpoint, you can do all that. And if you want to do single arm things, because it is 12 pounds, you know, it's like after a while, I've been using this for a while, so I'm a little out of breath. But 12 pounds is a good bit, especially for at home type things. But I've never used a thing like this before, where you can like really just go to town on the forearms, and it just like, I mean, like, whew, go to town on things, and having the ability to just go as tight as you can, really spin this thing, get as tight as you want. Very, very cool. Construction of this is on point. I don't know, like, besides it being some kind of heavy gauge steel, it is it's made of some good stuff. This is a hard foam, like rubber type material, so it's got a little bit of cushion to it, a little bit of cushion, so you're not going to develop uh the hands aren't going to get sore using this, and all that fun stuff. So full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, tell us what you think about our forearm weighted at home piece of gym equipment. Hopefully any and all of your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.